Hello companions, this is solution step 2. Comprehend intellectual property. My name is José Luis Cardoso Velázquez. My code is CC1090419705 and tutor Jennifer Tovar. Let's conceptual maps. This map is excessive process time, protecting intellectual property, causes and consequences. Causes: delay in the completion of registration with the state, delay in the realization and production startups, delay in the application process. 3 causes and consequences: processing time excessive long for economic exploitation, excessive processing time as it is shaped with industrial property and copyrights, and excessive processing time as they are framed with several sticks. 3 causes and 3 consequences. Next, recommendations. 1. Expedite registration process with the corresponding entities. And 2. Structure the edit, keep one record of each step to avoid plagiarism. Thank you.